Good afternoon, YouTube. I'm back again with another baked beans withdrawal video. I tried to do one yesterday, but the audio was having issue with the audio, so I just wanted to do a quick update, and I'll be withdrawing to Coinbase. So the first website that we're going to use that I like is Simple Swipe. So your first step is typing in BNB BSC because that is actually what's on the MetaMask wallet right now. All right. So let's say if we're withdrawing one BNB. One BNB is about $370. So it's 0.13 of a Ethereum. And as far as what you want BNB BSC to be exchanged to, that's your preference. If you want to get paid out in Litecoin, you put LTC. If you want to get paid out in Ethereum, you could put ETH. If you want Bitcoin, you put BTC. So the next step would be, if I'm going to receive my payment in Ethereum, I want to go to my wallet, which I'm using Coinbase this time, to get the Coinbase receive address. Go in here. So we click receive. Change the asset to Ethereum. Make sure you click receive. We don't want to send anything. We want to hit receive. Sure. Okay. So yeah, receive address. So we're going to copy this address here. We're taking this address back to Simple Swipe. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to create an exchange. All right. So Simple Swipe is actually waiting for the deposit. So the last step you have to do to complete this would be to copy this address. Go back to your MetaMask wallet. You're going to click send. Copy this address. And then you will put 1 BNB. Now I'm not going to actually send because I don't have a full BNB. And I'm not wanting to withdraw because I don't have the funds to withdraw a whole BNB. But this would be the final step. After you hit send, it's going to take a few minutes, and then your pending deposit will turn green. Then it's going to hit confirming, and then it's going to exchange, and then it's going to send it to your Coinbase wallet. And that's pretty much the steps. You would actually do these steps in reverse when you're funding your MetaMask wallet. So if you have any questions, comments, I'd love to have you subscribe. Until next time, signing off.